Hello, everyone, and welcome to English with Mr. C. I'm Mr. C, and I'm very happy you're here today. This podcast is for English learners, especially beginners and lower intermediate learners. We speak slowly, we use simple English, and we focus on real conversations. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your job in English. And as always, I'm not alone. My good friend Jessica is here with me today.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jessica, and I'm very happy to be here with Mr. C and all of you today.
Jessica, it's great to have you here again. In our last episode with Abby, we talked about daily routines. That was a lot of fun.
Yes, I heard from Abby it was. And today we have another important topic: how to talk about your job in English.
Exactly. People often ask about jobs when you meet them. It's a common question in small talk. What do you do?
Yes, what do you do means, what is your job? It's asking about your work.
Many English learners feel nervous when talking about their job, but we are here to practice together slowly.
That's right. Don't worry, we will guide you. Just relax and listen. It's okay to make mistakes. We all do.
Absolutely. So let's start with a little warm up. Before we dive in, Jessica, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good, thank you. I'm excited to talk about work and jobs today.
Me too. I'm feeling very excited and ready. Talking about jobs is going to be useful for everyone listening.
It is. All right, let's start with the basics of introducing your job.
So, Jessica, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach English to students at a language school.
That's great. So, Jessica said, I'm an English teacher. Notice she said an English teacher. In English, we usually say a or an before the job title.
Right. For example, I'm a teacher, I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer. If the job starts with a vowel sound, like engineer, we say an.
Exactly. So, you can say I am a or use the short form I'm a. They mean the same thing.
I'm is just a contraction, a short way to say I am.
Yes. So, if someone asks, what do you do? You can answer, I am a your job. Let's practice that. We'll say some example jobs. You can repeat after us.
I am a teacher,
I am a doctor.
I am an engineer.
Good. You're doing great. Let's try a few more. I am a student.
I am a chef.
I am a driver.
Great job. We just practiced several jobs.
Yes. Did you repeat the sentences? I hope you did. It's good to say them out loud to practice your pronunciation.
Also, if you don't have a job right now, you can say something else. If you're studying, you can say, I'm a student. Or if you're not working at the moment, you can say, I'm not working right now.
That's right. Some people also say, I'm looking for a job at the moment if they are trying to find a job.
Good to know. So, no matter what your situation is, you have an answer for, what do you do?
Now let's practice talking about where you work. The question is, where do you work?
To answer, you can say, I work at, or I work in, plus the place. Let's try some examples. Repeat after us. I work at a hospital.
I work at a bank.
I work in an office.
Good. Keep going. I work in a restaurant.
I work at a store.
I work from home.
Excellent.
There are so many different places to work. Just remember, you can say, I work at place like a hospital or bank, or I work in place like an office or city. Both are used.
And if you work from home, you can simply say, I work from home. So, Mr. C, do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I love my job. I enjoy teaching and I get to help people learn English every day.
That's wonderful. I love my job too. Teaching is very fun for me. I have great students. I'm happy when I work.
That's great to hear.
I'll admit, I also enjoy my days off.
Me too. Everyone loves a day off, right?
Right. But overall, we are lucky to enjoy our work.
Yes, but not everyone feels that way about their job. Some people don't like their jobs.
That's true. If someone doesn't like their job, how can they answer, "Do you like your job?"
They might say something like, it's okay, which means it's not great, not terrible.
Or they might say, "Not really," meaning they don't really like it.
They could also say, it's boring if the job is not interesting.
Or it's stressful if the job makes them feel stressed or worried.
Right. There are many ways to answer honestly or politely.
Let's practice some of these answers, both positive and negative. Repeat after us. I like my job.
I love my job.
My job is interesting.
Good. Now, a neutral or negative answer, it's okay.
My job is boring.
My job is stressful.
Great job practicing those.
Now, another thing you can do is describe your job responsibilities in a simple way. People might ask, what do you do at your job? Or you might just want to add one sentence about what you do.
To do this, use I plus a verb, just one or two simple details. For example, if you are a teacher, I teach children.
If you are a doctor, I treat sick people.
If you are a nurse, I take care of patients.
Great. A few more examples. If you are a chef, I cook food in a restaurant.
If you are an engineer, I design buildings.
If you are a driver, I drive a taxi.
Excellent.
You can see we start with I and a verb. I teach, I treat, I take care of, and so on.
Exactly. Just a simple sentence about what you do in your job.
Now let's have you practice answering. We'll ask you questions and you can answer out loud. Don't be shy. Try to speak your answer. Ready?
First question, what do you do?
Great.
Next question, where do you work?
Okay. Last question. Do you like your job? I hope you said yes. And if you said no, that's okay too.
Good job answering these questions. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel talking about your work. Hello, I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you too.
So, David, what do you do?
I'm an accountant. I work at a bank.
Oh, that's nice. Do you like your job?
It's okay. It can be a bit boring sometimes, but it's not bad.
I see.
How about you? What do you do?
I'm a nurse. I work at City Hospital. I take care of sick children.
Wow, that's great. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I love it. I enjoy helping children get better.
That's wonderful.
It was nice meeting you, David.
Nice meeting you too, Sarah. Goodbye.
Bye.
And that's an example of a simple conversation about work.
You heard how we asked questions and gave answers about our jobs, where we work, and if we like our jobs.
Now it's your turn to practice with your own information. You can talk about your job in English with a friend or even by yourself. At the end of this video, write it down and comment your answer. We love to read your comments.
Remember to speak slowly and clearly. You can even stand in front of a mirror and practice saying, I am at your job. I work at your place. I like my job because...
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
You did a great job with us today.
Thank you for listening. We are very happy you joined us today.
Keep practicing and don't be afraid to talk about yourself in English.
We hope you enjoyed the lesson.
We'll see you next time.
Until next time, take care and keep practicing English every day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Let's learn together. Oh yeah. Wake up, turn it on, let your worries go. New words, new sounds, take it nice and slow. Everyday talk, real life flow. You don't need perfection, just let it show. Take a breath, you're doing fine. One more word at a time. naturally. English with Mr. C. Talk it easy, talk it free. English with Mr. C. Real conversations, you and me. English with Mr. C. Step by step, naturally. If you want to speak with confidence, come learn English with Mr. C.